Welcome back to my channel. What should I draw today? Me. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I draw a car for school-going kids. Write the alphabets in big size. Write in very good handwriting. Tell me whose handwriting is good in school. My handwriting is very good in school. I always got star in the writing. It's almost ready. Wow, that's awesome drawing. Don't forget to double the text. Double text looks so beautiful. Makes the star in the background. Also make the pencil dot. This is very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home. So I color this drawing. Do you like coloring? Let's coloring the drawing. Coloring makes the drawing so beautiful and amazing. Wow, I am enjoying a lot. Are you enjoying? Use the red color in the drawing. Red color is my favorite color. Red color looks so beautiful. Use the yellow color. Red and yellow color look so beautiful. Use the pink color in the school. Don't forget to color in the star and the pencils. It makes the drawing so beautiful and colorful. Our drawing is looking so beautiful. Diff makes the drawing so beautiful. Wow, that's awesome. Do you like the drawing?